Hi, how you doing today? This is Dan Muscarella, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to put in a trouble ticket from home. The first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is go to LCPSGO. Once your login credentials take you there, the next thing you're going to do is scroll down until you find the Support Center. You could also type this in the search box by typing support, and as you start to type that, you'll see your option right there. Go ahead and click on Support Center. As the magic happens and the LCPS portal opens up, you'll see that your computer is down here in the right hand corner where it says My Assigned Assets. To start a new trouble ticket, simply go to Service Catalog. In here, you're going to want to go down to the bottom where you'll find Software and Device Configuration Request. That is what you're going to want to select, so choose Request. From here, what you're going to do is fill out the information provided in the file. When done, simply click Review and Submit. So that's how you submit a trouble ticket to request software to be installed on your computer. Thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Peace out.